Richard Mille RM50-01 Tourbillon Roman Grosjean watch with caliber RM5001 manual winding tourbillon movement with a G sensor, hours, minutes and chronograph with central seconds and 30 minutes counter at 9 o'clock. Architectural layout of the modern movement design details a coherent and rational chronograph mechanism that avoids any unnecessary waste of energy and motion through the application of technical solutions to optimize its operation. This is accomplished through the extensive use of materials such as titanium and the perfected synchronization of different interacting parts. This Richard Mille RM5001 Lotus F1G sensor tourbillon featuring a 42.7 by 50 mm carbon NTPT case and a transparent dial with Arabic numerals. The watch comes on a black nylon strap, limited edition of 30 pieces. Reference number RM5001, model number RM5001 Lotus F1G sensor tourbillon. Movement manual, case material carbon NTPT, bracelet material nylon, dial transparent, case diameter 42.7 by 50 mm. Year 2015.